Guys, to the another episode of this channel Techno Coding, and today I am going to talk about how to get started with the app development. I am your host Pritish, and today I am going to talk about the how to get started with the app development. What are the prerequisites set of your getting started? How can you upload your apps to the Play Store and earn money to your apps? So all of this coming up to this video, so stay tuned. And if you are a new user, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon below to get the notification. Now I am assuming that you have completely decided that you are going to start with the Android development, that there are two platforms out there, iOS and Android. So in great thing about Android development, is the most popular platform in India. Here you can show the chart graph. And now if you started, you have to have decent machine. So why the term decent machine? Because if you have a machine with the 1 gigabytes or 2 gigabytes of RAM, it's not gonna be that much fun and you are gonna be slow as a turtle. So I recommend you at least have a 4 gigabytes of RAM. Now the hardware consultancy is done, you have to care about software. For the software, I suggest you to start. There is a official website development.Android.com. I will put the link in the given description. You can check out from there. There they are gonna teach you how to getting started with the Android and how to test your apps, build your apps and debug your app. And you will get some sample code from there and quality guideline and learn about some material designing. But it's an official documentation, and an official documentation is the toughest one to read. Normal user, it's definitely the toughest and you cannot read it at first sight. I definitely recommend you to learn it from the online courses, and then you should start to learning the documentation. Now you have done all of sorts of things. That next gonna be your next step. The next thing is gonna be the programming language. Now for Android there are two languages, Java and Kotlin. In this time that video is recording, the most popular language is Java, so I should suggest you to start with Java. And here's my advice: don't follow the usually conclusive path. Then first learn C, then learn C++, then learn Java. No, don't do that. It's the completely wrong. You can directly jump into Java and learn it completely. It's a language itself. Don't go to the advanced higher level of the Java. Some object-oriented tips, basic functions, loops, array would be definitely fine. You can do all sorts of things with Java when you are moving on to Android. If you do that, you will never move on to the Android. You will always stuck into the Java. So I should study you to learn Java's basic and then move on to the Android. Now you should ask me, what is the platform for developing Android apps? So I should tell you, there is one platform which is the IDE of the official Google. It is called Android Studio. You can check out, and I put the link of this software in the description. The link take you to this website. You have to scroll down here. You will find different download links for the different platform. It's for the Windows. If you are using 60-bit, use this, and 30-bit for use this. And there have Mac, Linux, Chrome OS. And if you scroll down a bit, you will find some different component. This is the Google Marvin dependency and Android Gradle plugin. You can download and install it offline. You can scroll down here, and here you can find some SDK tools for your Android Studio. It's not necessary to you require this tool, but it can help you a little bit. If you scroll down below, here you can find the system requirements for your machine. If you have Windows, you can check out this section. For the Mac OS, you can like this, and for the Linux, and it also has for the Chrome OS. You can download from the description and then click next and install it. But I suggest you to have a decent internet connection because it's take internet to when it's installing. Now then there is a one extra tool you have to need. What is JDK? Now some of you might be wondering what is JDK. I'll tell you it's a simple tool which is stand for Java Developing Kit. If you're working with Java, you will definitely need this JDK. Now, if you're working with the Kotlin, you don't need this, and you can directly start from Android Studio. Now, if you completely build an app, so what are gonna be next step? The next step is gonna be pretty simple. You have to publish your app in the Play Store. Now, some of you might be wondering where I should publish my apps, how I publish my apps. Don't worry, I will give the link in the description. You have to go this website, and there are gonna be $25 you have to pay in for Google for your apps to be published. In India, it will be 1,741 rupees. After paying the Google, you will be completely as an app Android developer. After you done, you have to verify your phone number, address, and email. After all the completion done, you can publish your app frequently and earn money from those apps. Now that you have published your app, what gonna be next? An app that is nobody knows, it's not a good use. So you have to marketing your app, like posting your app on Facebook. You have to create a website where you can post your all your apps and details, or you can tell your friends, families, etc. So that's the whole process of being an Android developer. If you have any question or queries, please ask me in the comment section. If you like this video, please give a like for this channel and please subscribe. Thank you for watching.